tablet. Okay, ah.
Magandang lalaki siya sa inyong lahat. Si Kuya Kim, nagpasikat na ang kanyang grupo. Ngayon naman, ang aking grupo magpapasikat. Itong bandang to, napapakilala ko sa inyo, ay talaga ng multi-awarded band. Madaming hits na pinasikat to. Siyempre, genius dito ang vocalist, keyboard player na si Jay Durias. Pinasikat niya ang makantang Rainbow at Kahit Kailan. At dahil dyan, merong magsasample muna ng Kahit Kailan. Alam mo ba ang kantang Kahit Kailan?
Kaunti lang po.
Konti lang po, biglang mo kami ng sample.
Kahit kailan, hindi kita iwan. Idol ko, ang South Border.
Maraming salamat sa iyong tula. Okay, mga kaibigan, eto na ang South Border Magpasikat!
No, I just can't stop. No, no, I just can't stop. No, no. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I just can't pull myself away. I feel like I can't break. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. Yeah, I just can't break myself away. I don't want to escape. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. Turn the music up again. I can hear it loud and clear. Just like she's in my ear. If you want to hold. Come on, everybody, put your hands together. Come on now. Sabay, sabay. Everybody put your hands up in the air, come on! Yeah. Woo. That's right! Hey! I got a feeling that today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a good day. Magpasikat kayo! Come on! I got a feeling. Becky, come on! Tonight's gonna be a good night. Good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. And I just can't pull myself away. And I feel like I can't break. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop.
Magpasensya na kayo. Yan lang po ang nakayanan ng aking grupo, South Border.